What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another YouTube short. I'm in the garage as you can see right now and I'm just about to film episode 4 for the Road to Super series. But just before I do that, I want to give a massive thank you to Colin Furze. Basically, this weekend my mum and dad went down to a wedding for their friend and they met the Colin Furze and he sent me this video.
Charlie, sorry to disturb you. I'm at this wedding. Your blooming parents, a bit weird. They've collared me. Anyway, they apparently been making some YouTube videos and stuff, and I've got to say hello. It is me. I am the real Colin Furze, because I know you question that. But anyway, keep it going. I've seen you've been doing a lot of work, so it is hard work. There's a lot of things to do, but keep at it. And in the morning, I'll have a look at them and I'll see if I can send you a message or something on YouTube with a bit of feedback and stuff. But you know, don't stop. Keep going. It's a long way to go. It's a lot of hard work, but it's worth it.
So yeah, I'm so happy that Colin was able to send me a personalised message, and I will definitely take in all the feedback and all the advice that you give me to make better videos for you guys sitting at home. So I'm going to crack on with episode 4 for the Road to Super series, and I'll see you in the next one.